And now, boys and girls, let's talk about things we see. Johnny, would you like to start with what you saw today?
I saw a bird. It was sitting outside my house. It had colors of red and yellow and purple and green and maybe not, but I know I saw a bird. It looked really nice. I didn't go and pet it, but I should have, but I didn't. But I guess I still saw a bird. They call me MC Birdie, looking at the girls and I'm oh so flirty. Boogie boogie dirty, boogie boogie purdy. I lie more on this variety of bird seeds. Yeah, a birdie gotta eat. Every day, every week. Yeah, straight knowledge on my beak. Hear the words that I preach like ain't no party like a birdie. Party cause a birdie, party don't stop unless we hear the cops. Then my homies flock, we like to be free. Flying in a V, don't come for me unless you wanna get the wings. You don't want the fury that my boys and I bring. Cause we be going coco, yeah we going loco. We make Alfred, rename bird Psycho. I saw a bird, it was right outside my house. I wanted to pet it, but it'd probably fly away. Oh, I saw a bird, it was right outside my house. I wanted to pet it, but it'd probably fly away. Like birds pointing you, much different than clouds. Fly high above and nest below, it's different in their eyes. So birds pointing you, much different than clouds. Fly high above and nest below, it's different in their eyes.
It's all a conspiracy, man. It's a part of the government's plan. That little bitty bird sitting pretty at your porch was a spy tracking your every move. You should learn to be more careful, or the man might just catch you. When you least expect, they'll be clawing at your neck. Don't say that I didn't warn you.
Sorry, birdie, I left you outside for way too long. I'll bring you inside of the house so both of us can bond.
On Monday we get birdies, on Tuesday we get birdies, Wednesday y'all some birdies, Thursday y'all some birdies, Friday we get birdies, Saturday we get birdies, Sunday back to birdies. Yeah, I saw a bird, it was right outside my house. I wanted to pet it, but it'd probably fly away. Oh, I saw a bird, it was right outside my house. I wanted to pet it, but it'd probably fly away. Like I saw a bird, it was right outside my house. I wanted to pet it, but it'd probably fly away. I saw a bird, it was right outside my house. Sunday we